festival is approaching. A very special dragon boat race is being held in Nansha district. The competitors are from different countries and regions, including Guangzhou, Japan, Hong Kong and Macau, and other Western countries. Today will be their first time to learn rowing dragon boat, and then they will compete right after their practice. And now, follow me and see how their practice is going.
Guangzhou がこの地域の文化を象徴するものの一つだというふうに聞いていたので、そういったものを少し感じられたらなと思って参加しました。一番はやっぱり船の形、竜の頭がついている、思ったより力が必要で大変でした。ちょっと疲れますね。
Oh, at the first time you feel very scared and it's shaking. But when you start to ride, you forget about it. It's never mind. You just follow the movement. You keep moving with the whole pack. So maybe it's like the human nature to go with the pack to follow somewhere. And all this feels like very exciting, you know. So you feel happy in the water.
Speed team and here boom boom. It's key of victory because we have left side and right side. And if right side are stronger than left, and we go to the bank of river. If both sides are equal, we go straight and fast. Excellent experience, and I have fun. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day.
After watching the race, I decided to try myself.
I think the hardest part of rowing dragon boat is that you have to make sure speed and strength at the same time, so it's really physically demanding. Oh.